Unboxing video of my new Lenovo smartwatch. I ordered this like a couple of weeks before from AliExpress. It is a new Lenovo product. It's supposed to be a smartwatch. However, it should not have any electronic display. I'm not sure how this will work. There it is, the smartwatch. It comes in a center box, and it has a protective cover on the top. I'll just there it is. There's some kind of marking on the dial. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. In the same box, you can also find instructions manual. Recharge the smartwatch. Let's see if there's another. Oh, that's the warranty. So in Chinese. Nothing else, no cables. Well, that's it for now. Let's see if we can make sense of this manual. Let's see how we're going to turn that watch, connect that watch to the phone and use it efficiently. Thanks for now. This is the watch. I'm currently setting the time. I just enter the current time on the watch on the phone and it synchronizes it. Apparently it has to just spin it until it gets to the correct time of the day.